Hi guys, today we're going to see how to download the UnMult plugin from production grade. So an UnMult plugin is something that's used to remove the background from a video layer. It's also used in removing the black background from a video effects layer. So let's quickly dive into the video. Head to Google and type production grade. Click on the first link that you see and search for UnMult. Click on search. As you can see, they are also explaining what does this plugin do. UnMult plugin, changing the blending modes of a layer and using the UnMult plugin. So if you are a Windows user or Mac user, you can choose whichever you want. Personally, a Windows user, so I'm going to click on the download of Windows. So once it's downloaded, you can see it in the Downloads tab in your File Explorer. You click on this. Yes. Do you want to download this app and make changes to your device? Click on yes. While this plugin is getting installed, just make sure that no other apps or software like After Effects, Premiere Pro or Blender is running behind. Click on finish and close this. As you can see, this is the LaForge Suite. This is the one which holds the UnMult plugin, which is you're going to use in Premiere Pro and After Effects. After Effects software. After Effects is a heavy software, so it kind of takes a bit time. I'm going to click OK, close this, click on new composition. I'm choosing the social media landscape 30 frames per second, which is the most ideal for YouTube. Let me put few videos so I can explain you how this plugin works. Using this video. Want to download these files from the link in the description. The video, and here is the effects. This is the effects I'm going to use to bring in the Australia flag. If you want, you can scale it. Here's the one which is the Australia sample. Let's use the UnMult plugin. I'll often like this UnMult plugin. You can see this is gone. Black background is completely gone. And the black background is completely removed, and you can see the snow is completely gone. The snow is falling on the city. The video feels so real. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next video. Comment below if you want any such videos or any other plugin you want to do a full tutorial on.